After the installation of the virtual agent and any additional plugins is completed, you will have a series of setup and out-of-the-box topics available. Let's take a look at the purpose of these topics. Setup topics are the basic elements of a virtual agent conversation. These topics are part of a standard conversation framework in all virtual agent conversations. For example, the greetings topic is used at the beginning of a conversation. When a user starts a chat with a virtual agent, the virtual agent starts the greeting topic and presents a user with a list of available topics to select from. AI search fallback is used when a user enters a request or keyword, but the virtual agent can't find a matching topic or keyword, or finds too many topics to determine the matching topic. The virtual agent runs AI search to generate relevant search results for the user. Configuring these topics is a necessity in order to provide the basic elements of a conversation. Out-of-the-box topics provide several virtual agent topics that align to common use cases and can be used as templates to get started with creating virtual agent conversations. These are enabled by installing the pre-built conversation plugins, which include topics for ITSM, HR, and CSM. For example, general ITSM topics include, but not listed here, are topics such as create an incident to help users register an incident, or check IT ticket status to display the user's open ticket status. These topics are not specific to an application or service and provide general support to users. The general topics are less likely to contain more advanced conversations leading to a resolution, but can address users' immediate needs. Because of that, these topics should be the first topics configured and activated to provide immediate support. More service-specific topics are also available. These topics contain more advanced conversations that can lead to a resolution or fulfillment of a request after proper configuration to align with your support process. For example, if VPN connectivity topic is determined to be useful to your organization, then you can create a copy of the topic, modify the conversation with the appropriate troubleshooting steps, and when activated, it can provide an immediate level of VPN connectivity support to the users. Based on your goals for the virtual agent, the setup and out-of-the-box topics provide a good starting point to begin configuring the virtual agent. The setup and general topics should be the first topics to activate. More advanced application or service-related topics should be determined by your goals in combination with the analysis of the current data for the process that the virtual agent will support. Ideally, when implementing the virtual agent, topics you decide to configure or create will fall into three areas: setup topics, general topics, and service-specific topics. The setup topics, as I mentioned in the previous slide, are the basic elements of a virtual agent conversation, such as those that you see here: greetings, closing conversations, anything else topics, error handling topics, etc. These are topics that are a necessary part of a virtual agent conversation and have to be configured. General topics are the topics that provide support for non-service or application-specific inquiries, such as topics to submit and manage incidents or requests, order from the catalog, or other general inquiries. These topics should be configured to provide an overall support coverage. The final group of topics are service topics. Service topics have the potential to provide the most benefits for your organization. Service topics can be tailored with more advanced troubleshooting conversations using information captured from your support process to resolve issues, fulfill requests, escalate to a live agent, or creating an incident and assigning it to the correct support group. This video series will focus on service topics, beginning with identifying which topics you should create, how those topics should be designed through the analysis of incident support process that are contained in the incident data. This will result in a more effective topic design.